animations for explaining concepts, especially in
Okay, well, that was a pretty good 7 seconds there. So you're saying as a mathematical animation engineer, so I'm guessing is it, and I'm guessing it's maybe dealing with animations, I guess, like how um this looks very familiar. Like this screen here looks very familiar. Like I know I would have saw something like this when I was younger, like where the triangle maybe like spin a bit or the square maybe spin a bit. So I'm guessing it's maybe somewhere like that where like the objects are animated and stuff. So and he said it also deals with Python, so
is a
that's really
Python
interesting.
library made to create clean, precise animations for explaining concepts, especially in math and computer science. It was originally built by Grant Sanderson, the creator of 3 Blue 1 Brown, to make those visually stunning videos where equations come alive instead of just sitting on a chalkboard. At its core, Manim works with scenes and mobjects. A scene is like your canvas, and mobjects or mathematical objects are the shapes, text, or equations you put on it. You can then animate them using commands like write, fade in, or transform. For example,
Yeah, yeah, I was correct. So it's basically as it says in the word, but this looks I mean, I won't like this looks like some very difficult code to like get the animation to go through. I won't lie. Yeah, let's
come
go about
alive
it.
instead of just sitting on a chalkboard. At its core, Manim works with scenes and mobjects. A scene is like your canvas, and mobjects or mathematical objects are the shapes, text, or equations you put on it. You can then animate them using commands like write, fade in, or transform. For example, you could write out the Pythagorean
look
theorem,
cool,
draw
though.
a triangle, and then animate the squares forming on each side to show the proof step by step. The power of Manim comes from its precision. Since everything is written in Python, you can control exactly how an object appears, moves, or transforms. Want to animate a sine wave being drawn? You can code it as a function and add a dot tracing along the curve. Want to show a tangent line sliding across a parabola to explain derivatives? Just a few lines of code make it happen.
Yeah, this is pretty cool. I won't lie. This is I can most definitely see myself maybe using this in the future somewhere. But this is I like this. This is very cool. I won't
Tangent
lie.
line sliding across a parabola to explain derivatives? Just a few lines of code make it happen. Instead of passively describing an idea, you make it unfold in motion. Unlike GUI-based tools like After Effects, Manim is entirely code-driven. That can feel intimidating at first, but it's also what makes it so flexible. Need 50 shapes rotating perfectly in sync? That's easy. Want to tweak colors, timing, or easing functions? Just change a line of code. It's basically animation built for coders, which is why it's loved by teachers, researchers, and programmers. And while math
Yeah, so basically I could like maybe like make my own like like this is I'm guessing that I can probably make my own animated video from this code, I guess. It's like, whenever you're struggling to like or you may have to like pay for those animation videos in like Adobe or CapCut or Wondershare, whatever. Like you could like just go and make your own from a few lines of code, which is that's pretty innovative, man.
animation built for coders, which is why it's loved by teachers, researchers, and programmers. And while
I
math
know
is its
those
bread and
pictures are
butter,
wild though.
Manim isn't limited to it.
And
You can
this
use it to visualize physics.
Yo, bro, what is up with these guys and these like weird, like my brother, like I'll just pause this for you, man. Like pause, bro. Like pause, man. Like yo.
And programmers. And while math is
What
its
the
bread
hell,
and butter,
man? Pause,
Manim
man.
isn't limited to it. You can use it to visualize physics simulations, algorithms like bubble sort, or even design sleek animated intros for videos like I did for this one. Oh, by the way, all the graphics and animations you saw in this video were coded in Manim, and you can find all the code in the description below. Manim is also open source, meaning it has a community that built
Oh, well, I'm guessing that's all.
countless add-ons and extensions. So if you need graphs, charts, or specialized math symbols, chances are someone has already built a helper tool for it. Installing Manim is pretty easy. You just head to your terminal, type pip install Manim, and you're good to go. There is also a very handy VS Code extension called Manim Side View, which displays your animations directly inside the editor without needing to swap windows each time you run your code. This was Manim.
Honestly, this was a very good video. I won't lie. I'll actually save this video. Yeah, this was really good, man. Because now this gives me an idea of well, and I know he did say is dealing with mathematics though. So I'm wondering if I can be graphical with it. That's the only thing, or is it only deals with maths, you know? So I may look into this a bit further. I won't lie, but this is a very good video and a very good I'm guessing a program that I can use in in a real life situation, instead of me having to like, you know, pay for like animated videos and stuff like that. I can literally just create my own, you know. So and you know, make money from there as well. So I mean, I will actually look into this, man. I would save this for sure. So yeah, this is it. This is a very good video, man. I won't lie.